Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a new TD Bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the application process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the TD Bank website at tdbank.com and click Open an Account or New Account from the main menu. Step 2. Browse the available account types including checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit to find one that meets your needs. Step 3. Select the account type you want to open and click Apply Now or Open Account. Step 4. Provide your personal information including full name, date of birth, social security number, residential address, and contact information. Step 5. Enter employment information including employer name, occupation, and annual income for verification purposes. Step 6. Choose your account features such as debit card design, overdraft protection options, and whether you want paper or electronic statements. Step 7. Read and agree to the account terms and conditions, fee schedules, and privacy policy documents. Step 8. Fund your new account by linking an external bank account, making an initial deposit via electronic transfer, or planning to visit a branch with a check or cash. Submit your application and wait for approval confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.